What's good, guys? Welcome back to the blog. In this segment, we'll continue with this build. Today's video will be just doing mostly just the sway bar endings and the headers which came in today. But I think this will be the most annoying part of this. Because it already came like this, snapped. And another problem right here. You see is, I guess they was trying to take it out. Let me just split it in half. So this thing is, the sway bar right now is pretty loose. So let's jump into it. Look at this one. These two pieces together. That's crazy. Something like this. Alright, let's go get the new one. Let's see. This is the one up. Just the one we got. So new one is about to go in here. It's not OEM, but it still works. We should be all ready, set. Got the new sway bar links in. Good. And that should be all. You know, it wasn't that hard, but taking these off when these already are in the car and it's been sitting there for a long time, it's pretty rough. I've taken one with TRD sway bars on and it was a pain. It took almost like 3 hours trying to take them off. Some people usually just cut them up, which I don't know if they were trying to do that with these, but only this side was split in half. The other side are perfect, they're fine, untouched. But yeah, now let's get to the headers. Alright, so right now, on the way to National. To go get the, well, honestly not National. First I'm gonna go put gas because I'm out of gas. Then I'm gonna head to National to go get the flange gaskets for the headers for the red IS300. You know, that's another thing super pain. Installing them things. I've done a couple, like six cars already with headers, including mine and my homeboys. And I already got the basics, but the problem is when you're getting under that car, trying to fix some donuts for the air not to leak is what gets tough. So, to keep you guys updated on that. Oh, I got the piece I needed. Right here. There's this one. too. These are usually the most complicated parts of doing headers, man. If you get to master these and put them exact that one time you put them on, you're G.O.D, man. Can't say nothing else. At least for me, it takes me at least like 2 to 3 times. Sometimes 4, but usually it's 2 to 3 times. So now we just go home, pull out the red car, and get to work. So we got everything here. We got the 2 flange gaskets and the bolts, which I forgot to mention. You don't want to use the old ones that these cars bring. Those are usually have to be cut or they're rusted out. So I'll usually buy these in AutoZone and just put these on to save you time. You know, I'm not gonna do an unboxing video because I already opened it. So I mean, I'm gonna just show you how it came. Pretty nice though. The welds are kind of sketchy though, but look pretty nice. And it's crazy though, because before you was able to buy these, for like $100. Now I paid $180 for these. Only this 180. I don't know if they stopped discontinue these parts or just one fabricator is starting to make them, but it's pretty expensive enough to get these. Let's put them on. You know, the last one is always really complicated to get, but I already got almost all of them out. Just need one more. Oh man. So how's life been?
Hey, disconnected.
Oh. Are you serious? Oh my god. Hopefully I found an alternative solution to this. Let's see if it works. It's a good thing of having all the tools, man. Your boy Harbor Freights coming clutch. So as you can see, I mean, they're already loosened up. Oh, wait, pull out from here. There we go. See, they're already loose from there. It's always the last bolt that's always complicated to take out, man. Got the last one out. There you go. Now just pull it out. Oh, buddy, about to put in the work. I think 1 or 2 cents is loose though.
All of them gotta be
it's got them things out, man. It's not for you. Alright, so this is take 2. I couldn't record the first time. It was leaking hella bad the first time. But second try, I actually lubed it up with some this right here, which is, you know, hopefully it works. I mean, it's not made for this, but this is like for lubricating cams and all that. I just lubricated the air for me, just so donuts to stay still in place. But hopefully it works now. Not to turn it on to see if it leaks. Let's go. We got second time. Oh, hold up. Trying to fit under here. No more leaks. So it did actually work. Oh man, you don't know how happy I feel after this, bro. I've suffered with other cars doing this like 4 to 3 times. It's a headache. But got it on. Oh god. As you can see, I already got the bumper and everything already here. There's one less thing I gotta fix down here, man. Other thing I got left now is just to see the throttle body. Hopefully I get a new one and change it. We're almost done with it.